go check this river out, dude.
What up?
Nah, shit, dude. We got here and unloaded our bikes. We just got over by the dam.
Burger looks pretty bomb too, though.
You don't even need no burger, bro.
I got all you need tacos and the burger. I might do both.
Oh, all wet, dog. Oh, shit. It's too much. Fucking bitch. God, you big bastard. Oh damn, I'm all wet now, Jesus.
Hello.
Ooh, shit. Better get that down. Hell yeah, I'm soaking wet from that water crossing. We can do dirt road. We're gonna check it out.
I think you might have to like hike.
Oh, I got you. Man, I don't give a fuck. We can go back in town and grab some beers or something too.
Yeah, that sounds a lot cooler.
Yeah, let's do that. Go a beer? Sliding corners on my fucking back brake.
So fast, but it's right when it turned into gravel.
Oh, my back brake just slid, dude. I was not even going that fast and I was still sliding my tire. Hanging loose. Yeah, that's pretty badass out here, man. Dog, you should get a girl pregnant out here so we can keep coming back. I mean, it's solid plan. You can visit your baby and we'll take you riding motorcycles. Oh, I just got bitch slapped by a tree. We look like a gang, bro. We were on.
We're
like
not going around him?
Gang. Tim's cracking up at me. And he don't give a fuck. He's like, whatever. I wasn't allowing you. You were just doing it. Where you going, bro? You know.
I don't know where I'm going.
And now, Jonathan's in the back now. Oh, there you go, your crib. You and your baby, Arkansas baby mama can live there. Let me get on your left side real quick, bro. Let me hit that kill button. Fuck. West Side Story.
Oh, baby cow.
Oh, little baby. Ooh, it smells like shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
They go to mama's.
Them-
Oh.
Shit, hit his kill switch. Fuck. I was like, no, it's gonna start donutting and fucked him up. You got it? I'm gonna go get Tim.
Yeah, I'm probably about to be out of gas. I just have a feeling. I think it's the right, isn't it?
I don't know. You good? You alright?
You want to go like Quick back to town or Scenic back to town?
Scenic, I guess.
Scenic?
Yeah.
Alright, Scenic.
Left or right?
Right.
Right.
I'll just... Oh shit, I about went out of that line.
I had to use front brake on that. I don't like doing that.
Holy shit, I can't fucking see
The light that
it.
comes in handy for it. What up?
More dirt roads?
You want more dirt roads? Or keep going?
I don't care. We go hit the bar, dude, and hit that shit up tomorrow, too.
Yeah, let's hit the bar.
Cheater. Oh, Tim's trying to hit my kill switch. Alright, you need fucking gas, don't you? Forgot about that. We're all taking the scenic route and shit.
Big Bob Ballinger. Chrysler Jeep and Dodge. Out on Main Street.
Country Mountain Inn.
Oh, there go the biker boys.
Throw up west side at him.
There's the rider's nest.
Oh, yeah.
Rider's nest. The hoedown.
Ah, I've been looking for it. Hell yeah.
Is that where the hoes hang out?
It's that hoe down, cuz. Oh my god. That just screams retired. We should have stayed at the Wagner Inn, bro. That shit look cheap.
Swiss.
The Ozark Swiss, bro. That old lady on the back of that bike was talking on her phone, dude. Dude,
What the fuck is that?
you smell that? That smells like shit. What does that mean? Stop? I don't know signals, homie.
Oh.
Maybe that means straight.
Another Bambi.
real one? I don't even see him.
Yeah.
I
You
didn't
see that
even.
last one?
I didn't see either of them.
Oh, shit.
Dicks.
Yeah, that's
Dick Island.
there's a lot of dick.
Goodbye.
Fuck, it was. This is a waste of time.
Not staying tight?
Nah, I gotta pull it all out and tighten up this bolt that's behind the fucking glass. Nah, I gotta like take it apart. I'm just gonna. Do you have to have 2 mirrors here legally? Just one? Yeah, might as well just get rid of this mother. I got GPS. Wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Hey guys, cause he's clearing it. Yeah, Tim hates shit like that. I don't know why. I think it's fun.
Perfect for this shit, honestly.
Yeah, it's small. Oh, I ain't having too hard of a time. Considering I'm on a huge fucking bike. Oh, baby girl. How's that shit look? Yeah.
If I would do this, bro. If I were you.
What does it look like?
Pretty rough.
Yeah. Rougher than a divorce.
Yeah, I wouldn't come down here if I were you. Ass to get back up. That big ass bike.
Damn, now you just make me want to try it. There he is. Hey, can we not just go up this hill to the left? Is that not the road right there?
That's where we just came
Ah,
from.
fuck, we just go up that way. Hill.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? Fucking log.
Whoa.
Okay, that's not the trail I thought it was. Oh, it's all the way. It's all the way up there. Fuck that, dog. Fuck, bro. It's fucking Jesus. I didn't realize it was like way up that hill. Oh, they lost it? That fucking cable, huh?
Yeah.
God damn, bro.
You alright?
Yeah, I hit that tree.
I see that.
I hope you get it up real quick, man.
It's like, oh, dude, those fucking briars.
Get it right here. Alright, hold on. We going back? Fucking BMW.
Turn it and whack it. Wait.
Alright, I'm on the pig. You go ahead. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. It's weird, dude. Sometimes these comms like echo and I can tell it's on, and sometimes I hit this mute button. That would have been a great idea.
Man, that hill climb back there was next level shit.
Really? Did you go all the way down it, or did you just like...
I turned around like
fuck
3/4
it.
of the way down.
This is getting to be some next level shit right here too. Fuck.
Yeah.
For me, this is tough. Oh shit, I'm going down, boys.
down?
No, I was on my way though.
Wait before you get back.
Yeah, I didn't know if you hung a left or not, but I don't think it turned into shit.
Like that splash.
Yeah, that was nice. A different... Okay, we're in the middle of this. So there's another road over there that we've already drove on. Oh fuck, we're gonna get dusted out by these fucking cars now.
Dust.
I close my eyes only for a moment and the dust is gone.
I don't remember any of this. Little scenic overlook.
If we keep going this, I don't know, there's still more roads. Looks like if we keep following this, it'll take us out to like Eagle Rock. It's cool. Oh, it's nice over here. You can see stuff. It's pretty cool. Go off that shit.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
We can take the scenic drive. What? We can take the scenic drive. Yeah, it's just roads right
here. Psych. That looked like a cop chilling right there, huh?
Turn signal.
No, he ain't coming for us. Not yet.
I didn't think he would be.
Oh, I don't know, because we fucking hung it right and then made a big ass U-turn and hopped in the other lane and didn't come to a complete stop all in 15 seconds. Damn, dude, look at that. It's like fly fishing, dude.
You're gonna fish in a rock.
I think there's like a competition. It looks like they're all wearing like numbers and stuff on their hats. We're probably scaring the fish off, pissing everybody off.
Man, they're pulling hella fish out of this bitch.
Yeah, dude. This is crazy.
Oh, little balls.
It's pretty cool. It's like Turner
Falls. See all the
Falls.
fish too.
Oh yeah, they are. They're little bitty though.
Yeah, so.
Dude, I got like no back brake, dude.
Why not?
I don't know. It's weird. I have to like just slam on it. I wonder if I...
Wore it out.
Maybe I just need new back brakes.
I think this whole thing just loops around and then comes right back out.
Yeah, dog. I got like no back brakes right now. Look. Yeah.
Dude, adjust that shit.
Yeah. We can get over here somewhere and look at it. Oh my gosh, this is... Might as well just be walking these things, dude.
Tight.
Yeah.
Look at all those fucking fish, dude.
See this shit?
Man, that is so nuts.
Oh yeah, they're just floating.
Just right there.
The what?
There's a hatchery with like a waterfall and shit.
Like where they make them? Where they make fish?
Huh?
I said where they make fish.
Yeah, it's like a big ass fucking underground river that flows up out of the
That's dope.
Yeah, what is this little area called?
It's called no parking area. And
I don't know.
let's follow this fool. I just can't be like hauling ass and hitting corners because I only have a front brake. What are we about to do? Head back to town and eat or what? Yeah, look how clear that shit is, bro. What? Beat you. Go for it. Turny turn, turn. Oh my god. Yeah, fuck it. Brian, dude, tell me a story. Mm-hmm.
Did I ever tell you about the time that I rode with a wild man through the trails of Arkansas?
Nah, I was there. I ever tell you about that one time I hiked up 40 flights of stairs in motorcycle boots? No, it's a different time, dude. That one was different. Oh, here we go.
Does it say it? Right there.
Is it closed?
It's closed.
Oh no, dude.
Oh, like I said, I don't know.
Where are we gonna get?
till 5.
Oh, they're open at 5? Fuck. Fucking mud, dude. God damn it, again. Dude, my shit's all muddy. All right. Get over here and that. God. Jesus, bro. Oh, there went the back fender. I think it just broke the fender. Well, that was fucking embarrassing. Oh God, no, don't do it to me again. It's just like catching and not hitting. Like, oh my God, dude, it's getting beat up, dude. I don't understand how.
Yeah, I think we're gonna come back in town.
Yeah. My fucking tire's all muddy, bro, and I gassed in and just like laid over. Oh, everybody was just like watching, bro. Fuck. Oh my God. Fuck. Ever wet tires? Like, what are the fucking odds, bro, that I got stuck right at the edge?
Dude, you know how there's so many fucking bikers that drop.
Oh, if I had a huge bike, I would have been fucked right there.
Intercom pairing.
Yep, gotcha. Fuck, that is not the direction I would have guessed we were taking. Should crack all the way up. We getting gas? What's going on? Oh, this.
Piston's on empty.
I'm just gonna sit here and suffocate my helmet, I guess, while I wait. Who the fuck is Tad? Hopefully I can keep my rear brake. I like using it. Hey, you rode out to Holiday Island earlier by yourself?
The other way.
Oh my god, yeah, a whole fucking corner.
Oh shit! Mail tickets to you.
Volvo. Kind of like that idea. I think I'm gonna start doing that actually. No, Cadillac. The old Quigley's Castle. Look at that fucking driveway, dude.
Oh my god, that is fucking crazy.
Yeah, I can't do it. What's going on?
Oh shit.
Somebody kayaking, couple kayakers.
Be quiet, you can stand the fish.
Are coming, a couple of them. I don't think we've been out here yet, have we?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I haven't.
Okay. Tell we're almost there because it smells like cow shit. Pretty sure this is what he's talking about riding over here though.
There's a refrigerator.
Refrigerator out there?
Yeah. They have that pig in it.
There's a pillow.
Whoa! Cause you don't know if your hands are gonna go, 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 go.
Yeah, I don't know. Damn, my horn. You hear my horn?
Is that your brake? I mean your horn?
It's my horn.
Oh, that sounds weak.
I don't know why it sounds like that.
Oh, what?
Dude, there we go. We're not going off in there. Oh yeah, bro.
Ankle tweaking. Oh shit. Get down there and show them up. Show them what's up.
I already know where I'm going. I'm going to the Livity left. Oh yeah.
We'll turn around here in a minute.
I mean, it's pretty solid over here. Fuck. Oh, wet. Are you guys on the river? Oh shit. That was badass. Oh. Oh shit! Shit. Oh shit! Yeah, that was fun. Damn, right by me. I'm crossing a bridge right now. A big old wooden one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Going back to the cabin.
Yeah, you didn't